Fit type. Vehicle specific. Package dimensions. 1.27 hx 10.16 L x 16.256 W, centimeters. Country of origin. China. Part number. WPT928. Premium aftermarket replacement parts for Ford and Lincoln vehicles, tested to provide performance and long-life reliability. 2-year unlimited mileage warranty, labor included and no commercial exceptions. Top reviews from the United States. Correct part to fix common F-150 issue. The connector and the wire are perfect to redux the heated, cooled seats in F-150. You can pop the pins out of the old connector, except for the burnt ground. You only need to cut that wire. You can save the rest of the wires for when it burns up again or use in other projects.